Oh, that's not good. Oh, fuck's sake, hang on, let me find the customer. Oh, this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. God, it's got the wrong slave for this. What's going on, everybody? Looking at my analytics, only 14% of my viewers have subscribed. So there's 86% of new viewers that haven't subscribed. If you could subscribe, that'd be lovely. Thank you very much. A lot of work goes into this. Obviously, I do all the work. I do all the editing. I have to make all the music for it. Yeah, it's a lot of work that I have to do. So it's all done on my little self. But yeah, if you can all please like, comment and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Let's get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master. Oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master. No one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master. No one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the trade. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain in the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground, spell out my name. Boat by boat, I rewrite fate. Pedal come back with that perfect.
Oh god, I'm tired. Monday morning, I spent all weekend, I've ripped my whole kitchen out and started again. What a nightmare, nearly done. Just need a gas man to plumb the new cooker in. Well anyway, today I'm going to do Audi S3 Quattro. The customers, he's got all the parts. He's got OE, flywheel and slave, and he's got some uprated clutch of some sort, I don't know. But yeah, it's a Quattro one, that's what I'm doing. I was supposed to do another one this morning, but I've still got stuff to do at home, so not this morning, this afternoon, so I'll long that until tomorrow. I ain't doing that. But yeah, got a bit of a drive, only an hour, 33 miles, right across the coast pretty much. But yeah, right, let's get to it.
The sun is shining, what a beautiful day. Sun makes me left hand, toolbox in the tray. Got sweat on my shoulders, but I'm feeling alright. Clock says it's early, my heart says all night. I'm a solar power man, give me that heat on my skin. Turn all my worries to sand when the daylight pours in. Yeah, I could work all day long if the sky stays clear and wide. I'm a solar power man and the sun shines on my side. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey, oh yeah, hey. Neighbors in their gardens, kids chalking up the drive. Radio by the window, whole town's come alive. No clouds on the horizon.
Yeah, this is the culprit today. Audi S3 Quattro. Lovely jubbly. This one's going to be fun. Customer's got all the parts, it's got all sacks. Got an uprated sax clutch as well. It's not like a race clutch, it just takes more power. So it's all OE stuff, so it should fit. Right, let's get this tool together and get it all apart. Right, go for this one. Big gun, little gun, bit of wood. Right, we want 10, 13, 16, 16, probably 18 on that. A couple of extensions. 12.9 for the clutch. Want that. We want that. We want 17, 21, 18, 16 extension, wobbly. For that we want hose clamp, long nose pliers, cutters, screwdriver, small screwdriver. Probably want that for the hubs. That'll do for now. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yo, right, got a bit of a funny angle there, that'll do for now. Right, something different for the channel for once, I'll do the same old shit over and over again. Alright, this is the actual airbox. I need 225 for that, couple of clips up here. It's actually nice and dry as well. Dry at last. God, and the sun's out, even better. Perfect day to do this. I was supposed to do this a week and a half ago, but I don't know why I didn't do it. Why didn't I do it? Oh yeah, I had a customer with an issue over in Worthing I had to go and sort out. Yeah, dry. Nice Quattro to get on with today. They're coming off. Why isn't that coming off? Should just lift off. What's that hitting on? It's hitting on something. Should just pull out. I'm gonna pop this off. Screws there. Can I get this off in a bit, boy? I should just pull out. That's better. Yeah, as I say. That's it. Yeah, I thought it was just pulled out. Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright. Top. It's pretty much exactly the same as any other Audi. Alright. 13. Rusty as usual. These older cars, they always rust. No clips fell off. point at a 9. Nope. Try and get a 9 on it. There. That can stay in there. Oh, it's texting me. It says it delivers. Deliver depot. It doesn't come today. Oh no. I'm doing Wednesday. Sorry, I'm just checking my calendar. What have I got on Wednesday? I've got that to do Wednesday. Yeah. Ah, that'll sort me out. Wednesday's good. Perfect. Alright, sweet. That's all good. Rearrange that one. What's that? Right, sweet. Right. Back to the matter at hand. Right, that's not good. Oh, fuck's sake. Hang on. Let me find the customer. Oh, this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. Oh, it's got the wrong sleeve for this. Let's put it back together. Right. Right, you've got the wrong slave cylinder for this. You've got an external. Yeah, you've got an external. I've got an internal. Did this clutch and flywheel kit come in the one box? No. Yeah, where's the box for the clutch? Really? Right. Right. Right, hang on, mate. One sec, bruv. Listen. Hang on. Hang on. What's going on here? So, where did this clutch come from? Right. Because... Yeah, hang on. I'll just... mate. Generally, as a rule, with... Nah, none of it's all wrong, mate. The clutch don't fit the flywheel. Yeah, no, you've got a Sachs flywheel. You've got a Sachs flywheel, LUK clutch. The dowels are different sizes. I can't. Nah, all of it's wrong. Shit. Yeah, no, none of that's going to fit, mate. The flywheel might fit, but the clutch don't fit the flywheel, and the slave's wrong as well. Yep, I'm afraid. Right, let me put it back together. Start putting it back together, mate. I'm afraid I'll have to leave that with you, bro. Ball ache. Fuck's sake. Yeah, the slave's wrong. You've got a Sachs flywheel, which is fine, but with these VWs, Sachs clutch will only fit a Sachs flywheel, and an LUK clutch will only fit an LUK flywheel on these older ones. They're not interchangeable. Ah, mate, I don't know where you got it all from, but where'd you get the flywheel from? Yeah. Well, you need a clutch. Well, you need it all. You need everything in the same brand. Yeah. So if you need to get either that clutch, contact that company and tell them you've got a Sachs flywheel and LUK clutch don't fit it. And even if they tell you it does fit, it don't fucking fit. Yeah. I know it for a fact. And two, I've just put it on. The bowls all light up and all that, line up, but the dowels are they're too big on the flywheel for the clutch. Fuck. Yeah, ball ache. Right. Righto. Yeah, you need to get onto all of them, mate. I'll put it all back together anyway. Lucky I didn't rip it all apart. I took the battery out. Yeah, and I looked at the slave and I thought, hang on a minute, that slave you've got's external, this one's internal. So, okay. Yeah, it's all wrong. The flywheel will probably fit, but nothing else will fit. Oh. What's that? Yeah, you need an internal slave. The one you've got's an external slave. Yeah, that's wrong as well, bruv. Alright. What number were you? 15. 15, alright. Yeah, I'll put it underneath where we said. Alright? Alright, no worries, mate. Fucking hell. Third time lucky. Well, at least it's still fucking drivable, isn't it? So, yeah, at least like your clutch ain't completely gone. Now you've got a massive headache. You can still drive it. Alright, sweet. Yeah, I'll let you get on with all that stuff, mate, and then we'll go from there. Alright, sweet, bruv. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. One. Oh well, you had that conversation, didn't you? Fuck's sake. Yeah, the flywheel's definitely right. It's a Sachs one. It looks right to me anyway. But LUK clutch, they don't generally. On the old Audis, VWs, you can't interchange VW, Sachs or LUK. And GSF have given an external slave and it's an internal slave. So we will carry this video on next time.